Hello guys, welcome back to CDK Viral TV, your home of viral news, entertainment news and celebrity gist. Kizz Daniel has finally showed the faces of his two sons, Jelina and Jalil. Kizz Daniel took to his official Instagram page to share an adorable video of his two sons riding in their impressive Benz with customized number plates while their father controlled its movement. And the singer added in the caption that those Benz were given to his two sons by Tauma. So guys, I'll be turning up the volume of the video now. But before I do that, please make sure you hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Enjoy the video.
Look at your mommy, look at your mommy.